If you want to change font color in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can customize your slides, make important text stand out, and improve the overall look of your presentation. This is a simple but powerful formatting trick, whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or just trying to make your slides look more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program starts, you'll see the Start Center. From here, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation you want to edit, you can open that existing file instead. Either way works, and the process is exactly the same once your slide deck is open. Now that your presentation is loaded, go to the slide that contains the text you want to edit. Before you can change the font color, you need to select the exact text first. So click and drag over the words you want to highlight, or use your keyboard and mouse to select the text box content you want to modify. This step is important because the color change will only apply to the selected text. Once the text is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You should see the font color drop-down option. This is the tool that controls the color of your text. Click the font color drop-down and a list of color choices will appear. LibreOffice Impress gives you several options, so you can choose a standard color or pick one that better matches your slide design. Select the color you want from the menu, and the text color will change instantly. That's really all there is to it. No extra menus, no complicated settings, and no need to go through multiple formatting panels. As soon as you choose the color, your selected text updates right away. If you want to keep your presentation looking clean and professional, try using colors that match your theme and make sure the text remains easy to read. For example, lighter text works better on dark backgrounds, while darker text usually looks best on light backgrounds. If you're emphasizing a heading, you can use a bold color to make it stand out. If you're changing body text, choose something clear and readable. You can also repeat the same process for different parts of your slide. Just select another text box, click the font color drop-down again, and choose a new color. This makes it very easy to style your slides exactly the way you want without wasting time. So to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create an Impress presentation, select the text, click the font color drop-down on the top toolbar, and choose your preferred color. The text color will change immediately, and your slide will be updated in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share it with anyone who uses LibreOffice Impress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.